Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're gonna find out the LCM and GCF by using the ladder method guys. So let's start. First of all, let's say we have two numbers. Let's say we have 24 and 36. So we put these two numbers in one line as I put it here guys. Then what I will do, I will make a L shape over here. This is L shape, also called ladder method guys. So this is L shape. Okay, now in the first step, first we find out the smallest prime number that goes into these two numbers guys. So in this case the smallest prime number will be 2, so we put 2 here. Okay guys, so now we start the the process for the LCM. So this is 24, this is 2, the answer here will be 12 guys, as you know. And for 36 2, the answer here will be 18. Okay guys, then again we draw one more L shape guys. So now this is, we are going in the ladder shape. Okay guys, so now in this case we find out the smallest prime number that goes into this number. So these, again the smallest prime number will be 2 here guys. Okay, so the answer here will be 6 and the answer here will be 9 guys. As you know, 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12, 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. Okay guys, now again we draw one more ladder or L shape guys. Okay, so here in this case the smallest prime number will not be 2 this time, it will be 3 this time. Okay, as you can see here, so 3 I will put here. So the answer here will be 2, 3 times 2 multiplied 6, and here 3 by 3 equals to 9. Okay guys, so now we have all the prime numbers. Now we finish. So to find the LCM we make an L. So I will tell you how to make the L again. Okay, so this is the L. Okay guys, so this is the L. Okay, so now whatever number came into L, to find the LCM we multiply these numbers guys. I will show you. To find the LCM we multiply these number that came inside the L. So 2, this the first 2, multiply by 2 again, then multiply by 3, then multiply by this one 2. Okay, then multiply by 3. Okay guys, so if we multiply all these, the answer will be 72 guys. So the answer for LCM here is 72 guys. So this method is called ladder method and we use L shape to get our answer guys. So this method is for to find the LCM, and to find the GCF. Okay, so to find the GCF, what we do, we concentrate only on these three numbers, only this line guys. So this line only, see this line, we don't concentrate on L, we concentrate only this line, the straight line. Okay guys, so in this line we have 2, again, multiply by 2, and multiply, we have 3 only in this line. Okay guys, so in that case the answer will be 12 guys. So GCF, the answer will be 12 guys. So guys, I hope you understand the whole point, the whole concept to get the LCM and GCF by ladder method guys. First what you guys do, you put two numbers here in the straight line, then you put L shape, then you find the smallest prime numbers that goes into these numbers. So 2, in this case 2 will be our smallest prime number, so 2, and then here answer will be 12. Then again we find the smallest number, and this is how we goes to find our LCM, and then we put L shape over here, whole L shape, and whatever number came in this inside the L, we multiply these numbers. So we have 1 2 3 4 5, we have 5 numbers, so here we multiply all these 5 numbers and our answer came. And for the GCF, what you guys do, you have to concentrate only this line, So whatever number came on in this line, not the L line, only the straight line, whatever number came, you have to multiply. So in this case, we have 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So our answer here came, which is 12, guys. So guys, I hope you understand this concept of LCM and GCF, guys. So if you have any question, you can send me in the comments, and please like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.